Would you like to save money on your cleaning budget? My name is Ed, and I represent Zagers Brands Chemicals and Triple S Chemicals. We look forward to meeting you at the Gem Supply Cleaning Festival in Rockstar Talks. Please go to the link below and pre-register for the festival. We look forward to seeing you all there. Using the right chemical for the right cleaning task increases your level of efficiency. That increase in productivity means extra money in your budget. Please stop by our booth. We can talk about your cleaning problems and we can help solve them. Look forward to seeing you all at the Gem Supply Cleaning Festival and Rockstar Talks. And please, again, stop by our booth to register to win your free door prize. Thanks and have a great day.